Hello, my name is Owen Pugh, and I'm going to be audio describing the House of Jollof Opera, written, composed and performed by Tumi Williams, and co-written and performed by Asha Jane. The director and dramaturg was Sita Thomas, and the sound designer and engineer was Andrew Sanders. The characters are as follows. Adeola is a black man in his early 30s. He has a short beard, wearing a backward-facing camo cap, khaki brown shorts, green trainers and a white t-shirt, which has "Say the Word" around a purple cartoon hand holding a microphone on the front. He is carrying 2 large bags for life filled with items. Asha is the boss of the House of Jollof restaurant. She is a black woman in her mid-20s. She wears a pale green low-cut short-sleeve top with black straps showing underneath, and dark green high-waisted trousers and dark green Doc Marten boots. She has mid-length, tight curly brown hair and earrings with 2 small ornamental chili peppers, one green and one red, hanging from thin gold chains. The setting is a busy residential street in Cardiff. There's not a cloud in the sky. The House of Jollof Opera, in large yellow animated font, appears. Adeola walks down the street. He walks up to the House of Jollof restaurant on the corner. It has blue-framed windows and a door. He stops in front of the door. Vacancy, chef wanted on a sign in the window. Takes a breath, spins round as he comes through the door and moonwalks up to the counter. Puts down bags. Asha appears from behind the counter. She's shocked and confused to see him there.
See, the door was open, so I moonwalked in. No one to point me in the right direction. My name is Adeola, a wannabe chef. Heard your last
She moves away, stops and sharpens a large knife, sternly stares at him.
Flex that street style vegan jollof plus 3.
He pulls out a number of ingredients.
Eat to the table, scotch bonnets that rock. The house party with mad flavor, the savor. Lemony coleslaw that dampens your taste buds. Sweet plantain from the West African cater.
She stops him, grabs a clipboard and moves around the counter. Ushers him into a booth. She smiles. He recoils. He holds out his hand for her to shake. She doesn't take it. She throws the folder on the table and sits. He puts on black apron and black do-rag, transforms. He turns his back and heads into the kitchen. He cuts a plantain, a red onion and chilli and mixes in a bowl. She watches, framed by the kitchen hatch.
Yes.
Aromatic rice. Ooh, that smells so nice.
Thank you.
Can I place an order, please?
I'm sure you can.
Fries and adds the plantain over the rice and adds red cabbage. Looks delicious. He brings the food out to Asha. She takes a spoonful. She beams a smile. The lights change, and it's as if we're in a nightclub. Flashing lights in the restaurant as they get up and dance around. He's up dancing on the bench, hands in the air. The sign in the window is removed, and they both head outside, fold arms and strike a pose for the camera.